Welcome to Spring LIB.
In this question we have given a circular ring of mass 6 kg and radius a, and it is placed such that its center lies at the origin. Now two particles of masses 2 kg each are placed at the intersecting point of the circle with x-axis and y-axis. Then we have to find the angle made by the position vector of center of mass of entire system with x-axis. So first of all, it is clear from the given data that I am going to draw the diagram. So this is our y-axis and this is x-axis, and this is the circular ring we have given to us. And this is the origin and center. Let this is 0 comma 0, and there is a mass. This is m2 which is on x-axis, and the coordinate of this mass is a comma 0, and there is one mass that is m3 which is 2 kilogram, and the coordinate of this mass is 0 comma a, and mass of the circular ring is m1 which is 6 kilogram. So we have given that m1 is 6 kilogram and m2 and m3 are 2 kilograms. Now we can say that x coordinate of center of mass is given by, that is m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 upon m1 plus m2 plus m3. Now put all the data in this equation. So this is 6 into 0 plus 2 into a plus this is 2 into 0 upon 6 plus 2 plus 2. So finally we can say this comes out to be a by 5. Similarly we can say that y coordinate of this is 2. So y coordinate of center of mass is given by, that is m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus m3 y3 upon this is m1 plus m2 plus m3. So we can say this will comes out to be 6 into 0 plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into a upon this is 6 plus 2 plus 2. So this will comes out to be a by 5. Now the coordinate of the center of mass is, finally we can say that x coordinate and y coordinate are, this is a by 5 comma a by 5. Now in vector form we can say that this can be written as, that is this will equals to a by 5 I cap plus this is a by 5 in j cap. We have to find the angle, so we can say that angle made by OC vector with x axis is given by, that is theta is equals to, this is tan inverse y by x. So this will comes out to be tan inverse a by 5 upon a by 5. So finally we will get this is 45 degrees. So this is the angle and this is our answer for this given question. So we can say for that option A is the correct choice. Thank you.